Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Gyarados from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his snout with a curved line across, semicircle turn back downwards at the side. And below that, I'm going to draw the upper part of his lips with a curved line across, right there. Semicircle turn downwards on the right side, turn it diagonally to the corner of the mouth, and turn it diagonally to the left and downwards. Semicircle turn to the left, semicircle turn back upwards on the left side. At the side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up, sharp turn back down on the right side right there, and a curved line across to the other point. A curved line across to the right, semicircle turn back upwards, and I'm going to trace the same outline as the outer line of the lips all the way back to the upper point right here. Semicircle turn upwards at that corner. Now for the other tooth on the right at the bottom point, I'm going to draw a similar shape right here. And for the upper teeth, I'm going to draw a triangular shape at that corner at the sides. Now inside the mouth, I'm going to draw his tongue with a curved line across right there. Semicircle turn downwards diagonally and semicircle turn back to the right all the way to the side of its lips. At the side of the tongue, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally back out to the outer lower teeth. Now for his nose trails, I'm gonna draw a short curved line at that corner and another one on the right side. Above the snout, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the left and upwards, semicircle turn at the tip above, back down with a similar diagonal line. At the side of that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line up, a line upwards all the way to the tip, semicircle turn to the right and turn it back downwards on the right side. Below that, a diagonal line across to the right, semicircle turn at the tip, back diagonally down to the middle point. At the side of that, for its eye, I'm going to draw a line down, across, and curved line upwards on the right side. Inside of the eye, on the left corner, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape at that point and a line in the middle. On the right side of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. For the left eye, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at the side here and a curved line inside of the eye. Now at the side of the mouth, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up, and at this lower point beside the jaw, I'm going to draw a line diagonally up and out, curved line upwards, turn it out at this upper point, semicircle turn up, semicircle turn back inwards to the left, semicircle turn upwards, and diagonal curved line back out at this upper point, turn it upwards, back in, semicircle turn up. And above that shape, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line at this outer corner and out, semicircle turn up, and turn it back inwards. Now for the ear, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a diagonal line up, turn it sideways to the tip, turn it downwards, and turn it back inwards with a similar curved line. Turn it diagonally down towards the cheek right there. And for the side of the ear, I'm going to draw a line down at this outer corner, semicircle turn outwards, turn it back down, semicircle turn inwards, downwards, semicircle turn out and down, and turn it inwards with a curved line to the side of the face. Inside of the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line across. Now for the left ear, I'm gonna draw a similar shape right there. And for his whisker at the side there, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it downwards, and I'm gonna trace a similar line again at this inner corner. And below the mouth, I'm gonna continue that line downwards, curl it out at this lower point, and turn it slightly back down, sharp turn back out and back to the mouth. For the right side, I'm gonna draw a similar shape, curl it up to the right at this lower point and back up towards the side of his mouth. At the back of the whiskers, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally across right there, and on top of his horn on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally across. Continue that to the back of his head and downwards. Continue that all the way to the side of his ear. Behind the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally out and up, and behind that curved line, a curved line upwards, sideways to the right, diagonal turn down, and another curved line diagonally up at that corner. Turn it sideways to the right and back down, another line upwards, across, and back down again. And from the front tip at the base, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back, turn it downwards at the back diagonally and turn it outwards, turn it downwards and turn it back inwards diagonally towards the ear. Below that line, I'm gonna draw a line down, semicircular turn towards the ear. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right, semicircular turn upwards. Inside of that shape, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. I'm gonna copy a similar shape below that and turn it upwards at this inner corner. And at the back, I'm gonna draw the pattern with a curved line downwards, semicircular turn at that corner, back upwards. I'm gonna copy that same shape again at this lower point. And another one. And a circular section with similar pattern at this corner. And at the back of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the front part at this lower point. In the middle, inside of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it upwards, and turn it downwards on the right side. In a semi-oval shape at this corner right there. Behind that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out and up, curved line downwards at the back, diagonal curved line back to the front. Inside of that, in the middle point, a curved line across, turn it upwards and sideways. A semi-oval shape at this corner, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again at the back. And behind that, a curved line at this top point, a curved line upwards, across to the right, curved line back down, curved line diagonally up and to the back, across, curved line back inwards diagonally, sideways, turn it downwards, curved line inwards and diagonally to the left, a line out, downwards, back inwards, and from the front tip right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back and turn it downwards at this point and turn it back to the front at this lower point. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, semicircular turn sideways to the back. A semi-oval shape at this corner right there. And behind that, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally down, semicircular turn across to the left, diagonal turn back up, curved line across, and the middle point inside of that, and semi-oval shape on the left corner. Copy that same shape again at this lower point, and I'm gonna make it smaller as we go to the tip of his tail. Now for his tail, I'm going to take this middle point below and draw a curved line downwards, sharp turn upwards on the right side, sharp turn back down, and sharp turn back upwards. Sharp turn back down to the right and sharp turn back up all the way to that point. And on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to the tip at the side, sharp turn back up on the left side. A zigzag line for the side of the tail right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side. Now behind here, I'm gonna draw another section of his fin at the back with a curved line diagonally out, turn it downwards, turn it back diagonally in, curved line out, downwards, and curved line back inwards, semicircular turn out, downwards, and curved line back towards his body. And at this upper point behind his back, I'm gonna draw another similar fin with a diagonal line out, turn it sideways, and back inwards. Another line out, turn it downwards, back in, semicircular turn back out, downwards, and a curved line back to the left. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.